Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites: a 16:9 area and a large TV or projector item. Place the screen now, centered on a 3-tile span so the image reads correctly. Once done, set seating 2 to 3 tiles away, stagger chairs for sight lines, and choose a power source reachable by wiring or an outlet. Make sure to rotate the TV so the front faces audience. This prevents invisible face issues and keeps visuals aligned. Now configure the display and audio. Upload or select a 16:9 image, then scale and crop it to fill the TV without stretching. This preserves aspect ratio and avoids black bars. Next, place speakers on left and right, plus a subwoofer near the floor. Link audio levels in settings and test at listening distance. Once satisfied, hide wires behind walls or under rugs, and add decorative panels to mask seams so the theater looks clean and immersive. Finish by testing playback from each seat. Play different media to confirm alignment and consistent audio. Dim lights or add blackout curtains to reduce glare and improve contrast, then tweak speaker balance if dialogue sounds off. If anything goes wrong, reset the TV rotation, recenter the image, and re-upload the file if it still misbehaves. This often fixes clipping or transparency issues. Make sure to save your build and double-check permissions so items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.